back to the Benelli Sparky. Do you think it's worth the money? Do you think it's worth the actual 450 Smackarooskies? Or do you think they should just
save your money and get the real ones?
Or not even necessarily get a real one, get a different semi-automatic tactical shotgun?
There's a lot of companies like, well, Mossberg, I mean, the 590. Yeah, or just get pump. You know, I'm an advocate of the pump. I know pump, like we talked about in one of the last videos, you can, I don't know, it can be easier to operate, but at the same time, you ain't got to worry about it jamming as much. That's not an issue that this is going to have very often, because how many times is it jammed on you once it's broken in?
It hasn't jammed at all since it's been broken in.